Let us solve some example from practice set 3.1. Question number 1. Here this figure is given in the textbook. C is the center of the circle and line AB is tangent to the circle at point A, and the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter. So related to this figure, they have asked 4 questions. So we have to solve that question. So first question is, what is the measure of angle CAB and Y? Measure of angle CAB we have to find out. So as we know that line AB is the tangent of the circle at point A and CA is the radius. So according to tangent theorem, line AB is perpendicular to segment CA. Tangent is always perpendicular to the radius at a point on the circle. So therefore angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Angle CAB equal to 90 degree. This is the first answer. Then second question. What is the distance of point C from line AB and Y? Distance of point C from line AB we have to find out. So in first answer only we told that line AB is perpendicular to segment CA from 1. That means segment CA is perpendicular to line AB. So CA is the perpendicular distance of point C from line AB. The distance of any point from the line is perpendicular distance. So distance of point C from line AB is equal to segment CA. And this segment CA is the radius of the circle, which is given 6 centimeter. So therefore distance of point C from line AB is 6 centimeter. Okay. Then third question. Distance AB is given 6 centimeter. CA is the radius, which is already given in the question, 6 centimeter. Distance AB is also given 6 centimeter. And we have to find out distance BC. Distance between B and C. So let's draw segment BC. So after drawing segment BC, we got here triangle CAB. In this triangle CAB, angle CAB is 90 degree. From 1, here we told it is perpendicular segment. So we got right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. BC is the hypotenuse. So BC square is equal to CA square plus AB square. And the reason is Pythagoras theorem. CA is given 6 centimeter, AB is also 6 centimeter. So BC square is equal to 6 square plus 6 square. So equal to 36 plus 36. So 36 plus 36, 72. So BC is equal to root 72. We have to find out square root. So factors of 72. 72 is not a perfect square. So find its factors. 36 into 2. Square root of 36 is 6 and 2 will remain under square root sign. So BC is equal to 6 root 2. Therefore distance between B and C is 6 root 2 centimeter. This way we solved question number 4 from the first question. What is the measure of angle ABC and Y? So here in triangle CAB, angle CAB is 90 degree. We are put in the first statement. Segment CA equal to segment AB. Both are given 6 centimeter given. So this is right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, we have two sides equal in length. That means triangle ABCAB is an isosceles right angled triangle. So when the triangle is isosceles right angled triangle, its measures are 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. So triangle CAB is of 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree type. And that's why measure of angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. So this way we solved all the 4 questions related to this figure. Followed? Now question number 2. O is the center of the circle. Segment RM and segment RN are tangents drawn from external point R. Radius of the circle is given 5 cm and OR is given 10 cm. So first question is, what is the length of each tangent segment? Okay. The radius of the circle is given 5 cm. So OM is equal to 5 cm. We drawn OM segment. OR is already given 10 cm. Now segment RM is tangent to the circle at point M here. So by tangent theorem, angle RMO is equal to 90 degree. Tangent theorem. So we got here right angle triangle. Triangle RMO. In this right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So segment opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So OR is hypotenuse. So OR square is equal to OM square plus RM square. Reason is Pythagoras theorem. Now substitute value. OR is 10. So 10 square equal to 5 square plus RM square. Make square. 10 square is 100 equal to 5 square is 25 plus RM square. Now take 25 on left hand side. So 100 minus 25 equal to RM square. So 100 minus 25, 75 equal to RM square. Now take out square root. So RM is equal to square root of 75. So 75 is not a perfect square number. So find out its factors. 25 into 3 and square root of 25 is 5. 3 will remain under square root sign. So we will get answer 5 root 3 centimeter. So RM equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. RN is also the tangent segment, and in tangent segment theorem we proved that tangent segments drawn from external point are always congruent. According to that theorem, RM is equal to RN and both are having length 5 root 3 centimeter. Reason, tangent segment theorem. So write the answer. Length of each tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. Understood? Question number 2. Second question. What is the measure of angle MRO? Measure of angle MRO. Okay. Now student, in triangle RMO, angle RMO is 90 degree. In first question we proved tangent theorem. Okay. OM is the radius of the circle which is given 5 centimeter and OR is given 10 centimeter. So you observe the relation between OM and OR. OM is 5 centimeter, OR is 10 centimeter. So OM is exactly half of OR. Okay. And OM is side opposite to angle MRO. And OR is the hypotenuse. So side opposite to this angle is half of the hypotenuse. So by converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem, in right angle triangle, the side which is half of hypotenuse, the angle opposite to that side is 30 degree. So therefore angle MRO is equal to 30 degree by converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem. Followed? Question number 3. What is the measure of angle MRN? Okay, now student, here we got two triangles, triangle RMO and triangle RNO. Segment RM and segment RN are tangents of the circle. So in these two triangles, segment OM congruent to segment ON, radii of the same circle. Segment OR congruent to segment OR, common side. And segment RM congruent to segment RN by tangent segment theorem. Tangent segments drawn from external point are congruent. So in these two triangles, we got all the three corresponding sides congruent. So these two triangles we got congruent by SSS test. You can show these two triangles congruent by hypotenuse side test also. How we proved in tangent segment theorem. Like that also you can prove. So therefore corresponding angles congruent. Angle MRO congruent to angle NRO. Corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Measure of angle MRO we got here in second question, 30 degree. So angle NRO is also 30 degree. Okay. And angle MRN is the addition of these two angles. MRO plus NRO. And both these angles we got 30 degree. So 30 plus 30, 60 degree. So therefore measure of angle MRN is 60 degree. Followed how we solved?